Hello again, this is Edufeeds video tutorials. I want to show you how we sign on in PDF files without opening them into Microsoft Word. How we do it? Make sure that in your computer there is installed Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you have Adobe Acrobat Reader, this will help you to sign into PDF file. How would you do that? You just come here and you open your document into PDF by using Adobe Acrobat Reader. I have it here. Then I will just open this sign document by typing or drawing a signature. I'll just click here. If I click here, then there are preset signs that I used before. I will close them and then I scroll down. I want to sign here. If you want to sign here, you have just to name to write your name or to sign. You do whatever you want. I'll just click and I type the name Namakura Cloud. I may use small letter or big letter. I'll use small letter. Then I'll scroll so that I can line it with the document well. So if I want to delete it, I can delete by clicking here and type again Namakula Cloud. So this is how I type the name when I want to sign, and I align it with my document, my existing document. So you can also need to put a line or to put circle, or you can delete it and then you go back to your existing name. So how do you sign? You just click on sign and you click on add signature. If you click on add signature, you will be directed on this type of place where you can sign. You will be asked to type if you want to sign by typing, or if you want to sign by drawing or by image. I'll just draw. For me, I will draw. If you want to draw, then you will hold your mouse and then draw until your signature is done the way you want. If you are done with drawing your signature you want, you click apply. When you click apply, you see the signature is now here. You can scroll it where you want to position it, and then click the signature. Our signature is now there. You can just move it and make it big or make it small the way you want. For this one, you can also move it down so that the signature can get the place to be positioned. You see our signature is now there. You can make it big or make it small. This is how we sign in our document. If you want to sign in your document, just make sure you have an Acrobat Reader in your personal computer or in your desktop. So, and then remember to click on sign. If you click on sign, there is existing signature. If you want to add another signature, you just click on add initials. When you add initials, you can draw, you can type the way you want. So I have already signed. I don't want to repeat again. So these are the ways we sign into our PDF files. Thank you to have watched our video tutorials. So after that, you click next and you save your PDF file, and then you will choose where to save your PDF file. If you choose my computer, you will choose a different folder, and if you choose a different folder, I will choose desktop, and then you click save. So this is how we sign into PDF file and we save our signed file into our personal computer. So they ask you to click a link, but no need. You just close. You just close, and this is how we sign it. Thank you for watching this video.